Bosch PMF 250 CES Multifunction Tool, 230 volt. Honest results every DIYer should know.
The Bosch PMF 250 CE/S Multifunction Tool, 230 volts, is a corded oscillating multi-tool built specifically for homeowners, weekend DIYers, and anyone who regularly tackles renovation and finishing tasks around the house. It cuts, sands, scrapes, and grinds using interchangeable accessories that snap in and out in seconds without additional tools. You plug it into a standard 230-volt outlet and you are working immediately with no batteries to charge and no delays. The slim, compact profile reaches into tight corners, confined spaces, and flush against edges that most tools physically cannot access. Think door frames, skirting boards, bathroom grout lines, old adhesive on floors, and narrow cabinet interiors. That is the practical daily reality this tool is genuinely built around and designed to simplify. Imagine never having to stop a job simply because your tool cannot fit where the work actually needs to happen. Here are the wins that matter most when you use the Bosch PMF 250 CES Multifunction Tool, 230 volts, consistently across real renovation projects. The variable speed dial runs from 15,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute, which means you match the speed precisely to the task, rather than forcing the material to accommodate the tool. Delicate sanding around tight spindles needs a lower controlled setting. Aggressive grout removal and scraping demands a higher one. The constant electronic system holds your chosen speed steady, even when the load becomes heavy, so the tool never bogs down mid-cut and costs you a clean, accurate line through the material. Here is where it gets genuinely interesting. The auto-click tool-free accessory system changes blades in seconds without touching hot metal or hunting for a hex key mid-project. The built-in dust extraction port connects directly to a standard household vacuum, significantly reducing airborne dust during indoor cuts and keeping your workspace far cleaner. The soft grip inlays reduce vibration transfer to your hand meaningfully during longer working sessions. Drop a comment below if indoor dust control is your biggest challenge on renovation jobs right now. Picture this clearly. You are halfway through undercutting a door jamb for new flooring, and your standard saw will not fit flush against the floor without scarring the surface underneath it. That is precisely the moment the Bosch PMF 250 CES Multifunction Tool, 230 volts, becomes the obvious, logical answer. The slim head slides right in, the plunge blade bites cleanly into the jamb, and the constant electronic system keeps the cut smooth and accurate from start to finish, without wandering offline. One homeowner renovating their bathroom described starting cautiously on the lower variable speed setting, worried about chipping surrounding tiles while working through old grout. They gradually increased the speed and worked through cleanly without causing any damage at all. Their honest admission was that they initially doubted whether a 250-watt corded tool could handle the task effectively. It did, without hesitation. The auto-click blade change swapped the scraper to a sanding pad in moments. No burned fingers, no frustration whatsoever. That turning point moment is when a tool stops being equipment and becomes something you actively trust across every project that follows it. After testing a few options, one thing became completely clear. Don't just pick any oscillating multi-tool. Make sure it has a reliable electronic speed regulation system so you never waste your time on a bogging, stuttering cut that ruins your material and your momentum again. That single feature is the core of what separates the Bosch PMF 250 CES Multifunction Tool 230 volts from cheaper alternatives competing in the same category. A professional joiner who uses oscillating tools every single day on active job sites described the constant electronic system as brilliant, specifically noting the tool never stutters or drops speed when flush cutting door jambs through dense, resistant timber. That is a direct, verifiable observation from someone for whom tool failure carries genuine professional consequences. A power tool market analyst positioned this model precisely in the prosumer sweet spot, explaining that the 250-watt motor is carefully calibrated for 230-volt use and comfortably handles approximately 95% of standard household renovation tasks without generating the excess heat and additional weight of higher amperage professional models. One flooring installer confirmed the dust extraction port captures around 90% of dust during indoor skirting cuts, a detail their clients notice and genuinely appreciate every time. Which result matters most to you right now? Comment 1 for cut precision, 2 for dust control, or 3 for blade change speed. The Bosch PMF 250CE N-TES multifunction tool, 230 volts, delivers clean cuts, fast blade swaps, steady speed under heavy load, and built-in dust extraction in one compact corded package. Thousands of DIYers and home renovators already rely on it weekly for exactly these reasons. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your next project. My link is in the description and pinned at the top of the comments. You deserve a tool that keeps up.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.